welcome.
Next question, question about last week's parsha.
Mm-hmm.
We learned that the cover of the Mishkan is made of the mixture of wool and linen. I wonder, does the mixture of wool and linen have a special holiness? Why is it allowed for the Mishkan but not for us to wear it?
So that's a very where else we had this mixture? I think in some garments of Kohanim, we've also had this mixture. So the many laws of the Torah of the nature did not apply to the Beis Hamikdash or Mishkan. But that's a very, very deep insight. I would not remember from the top of my head, but yes, there is a very deep explanation. I remember reading, but not this year. So yeah, that's wool and linen together. Yes. You're welcome. So for us, why like for people, why do we wear the not wear the wool and linen together in one garment? Because Hashem said so. Right? It's actually a few things that Rashi Zatzal says that the nations of the world are going to come and like make fun of you. Right? About two things about. This mixture wool and linen together, and about this red cow, right? Because it does not make sense. Okay, and we have to remember it's they represent the Satan. Okay, so I mean Hashem said so. Hashem said through his holy rabbis that do not if this meat was unwashed for such a period of time, right? So you're not allowed to eat it. Period. So I guess what this time it worked. Maybe 10 other times, like there was not an issue. You understand? Or a million other times there was not an issue, but this one time it was an issue. That's relevant. So they say that's a law. That's a law.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.